These,
The button's over here.
it's this one.
Look at these elevators.
Wow, these are cool. Let me do my cab view first. Wow. Yeah. Don't click one.
Nope, we're going to 2. Because 1 opens right up in front of the front desk. Looks like Schindler modernized these.
We'll hit 24. Let's go to 24 and get off at 2.
Okay.
Let's switch sides. Going up, yay.
Floor 18.
And we're stopping here at 18 to pick somebody up here. We'll let him come in and join us. Yep.
Floor 24.
Let's go to 2.
Send her back to 2 and we'll get off there. And it had to re-level.
What is this I hear?
Some sort of plaque
Nice. Well, let's get up.
at 2.
Look at that cool thing on the ceiling.
Wow,
I
that
know.
is so cool.
You can see the. Oh wow! You can see the shaft move.
Oh, you can?
Yeah, there's a little hole there. I don't know if the camera can catch it though.
No, my camera did not catch it.
Mine didn't either. Let's get off at 2 and then.
Yep. Glad we came here.
Ah,
This was worth checking out.
I'm the one that found this.
I had no idea this hotel existed, to be honest. That's probably a service elevator there.
Yeah, we're not gonna get that one.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna get a video still. Nice.